Hey guys, what's up? Just doing my weekly vlog. Basically I just bought this new chainsaw which I'm going to use to cut down on trees in my garden. So I'm just going to try it out now. I'll show you. I'll let you know what it's like. Okay. Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Oh my god! Ah! Woo! Ah! Whew! Well, seems to be working okay. I'm not going to bring it over because it's kind of scary. But yo!
Hey man.
Dude,
oh my god!
What's the problem, man?
What the fuck happened to your hair?
What?
Dude, what the fuck?
Dude, it's fine.
What? Is that a fucking... Is that a chainsaw?
Oh my god.
Dude. Oh my fucking god. I don't like this.
Ah,
I'm gonna go. Alright, I'm leaving.
Oh my god.